subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch its new affordable smartphone under M series in India called Galaxy M01. And before the official launch, a schematic leak of Galaxy M01 has surfaced online that shows the design and specifications of the upcoming phone. According to leaks, the Galaxy M01 will support a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with 19:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch that will house a 5-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. At the back, the phone will feature a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The dual ray cameras will include a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, along with the microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset will run on Samsung's One UI skin on the top, and it will pack with 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the leak also suggests the phone to come with Dolby Atmos and Samsung Health feature. The physical dimensions of the smartphone will measure at 146.3 by 70.86 by 9.8 mm. Now, talking about the pricing. According to a tipster Ishan Agarwal, the Galaxy M01 is expected to price at 8,999 Indian rupees for 3GB plus 32GB storage option. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M01 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.